Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? If you've landed on this video, it's probably because you're in need of some advice. You know, for entrepreneurs, the journey will be a set of highs and a set of lows. And you may have moments of great success and joy and happiness, but then only to find yourself in a cycle of feeling stuck and also probably frustrated. Does this sound familiar? As an entrepreneur, it's really important to recognize when it's time to move on from a business and make the decision to shift your focus. Here's my best advice on when to give up on a business and how to go about making the transition. Today's topic is how to not give up when you're feeling stuck. Okay, so the first step to overcome the feeling of being stuck is to identify the root cause. So ask yourself, what's making me feel stuck? What is it? Once you have the answer, the next step is to break down the problem into smaller pieces. Are you feeling stuck because there's a lack of resources? Are you feeling a lack of support? Are you not understanding your target market? These are things that could be possibly the root cause. You need to develop a plan to address each issue so you can move forward with your business. I'd highly recommend you take a step back for a moment and review your goals. Maybe it's time to reassess a plan of action. Ask yourself what's working, what's not working, and what's going to continue to work. Doing an evaluation can help you make the right decisions for your future. So once you've identified the problems, you need to assess whether your business is still viable. This can be a really difficult decision. So it means probably giving up on an idea that you put a lot of hard work and effort into. Consider all the factors. Make sure you're calculating the cost, the income you're making, the potential costs, and the income you could make if you change directions. Also make sure you look into the market and the resources that you have available. And once you have a clearer picture of your situation, you can actually decide if this business is viable or it's time to let it go. Taking time to brainstorm can help bring new, fresh ideas and even solutions to the table, allowing your business to look at things from a new perspective. Personally, I like to ask my business colleagues, my friends, my family for advice or for guidance. You never know what people know, and they can actually probably help you make the right decision. One of the most important things to remember is that when it comes to business, you actually don't have to do this alone. There are a lot of business coaches and consultants just waiting for your call. Go ahead and present them with the problem, and then they'll help determine the best course of action. Instead of just giving up on your business, you can seek help from one of these people. So what are your thoughts? With all these tips, will you be able to gain more clarity and more perspective? Let me know if you're currently dealing with this situation, or maybe you've experienced this in the past. Let me know in the comments below. And by the way, I'm giving away my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you know somebody who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.